If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Latitude in olive green pearl. With fully automatic headlamps, windshield wiper de-icer, 17-inch silver painted aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, remote start system, all-season floor mats, 8-way power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 14,000 miles on the odometer, a 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN system, rear 60/40 folding seats, rear auxiliary 12-volt power outlet, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5480.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.